Well, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 is on Facebook Live. What a storm out here. It's a rainy day, you know? Yeah, woo. How about that? You know? How about that? Whoa. It's a stormy weather here. Yep. All right, so I must say, y'all, it's a rainy day, raining hard as hell, you know. Oh, whoa, wow. I think we under it's heavy rain, probably 69% or 70%, you know. So I hope I'm not disturbing nobody out here, you know. Oh. Yes, it's some stormy weather. Oh, shit. Excuse my language, y'all. Okay. Yeah. A bloomy day, y'all. Okay. Yup. Oh. I hope you people are safe in here. I mean, out there, you know, indoors, you know. Nobody should play in the rain when it's lightning, you know. Not while it's lightning, you know. So, I don't know if it's scattered showers or isolated, you know. I don't know if it's raining in Metairie or raining all over the city or something like that. If it rains, I thought it rained all over the city, you know. Well, okay. People, stop the evilness, y'all. All I can tell y'all people, y'all lucky the rain will stop eventually, because do all that evil stuff, you know. Whoa! Because it can rain and not stop, you know. Well, okay, that's it. See y'all later, I guess. All right, check on my game.